2006 Mercedes-Benz C280. This vehicle features the following equipment: 7-speed AT, 5-6-cylinder engine, 3.0 L183, rear-wheel drive, rear side airbags, 7-speed automatic transmission, sunroof package, chrome trim ink, bumpers, rub strips, side window sills, Atlas Grey Grille, W3 chrome ribs and chrome surround, neutral tinted glass, driver's adjustable lumbar, hand-polished laurel wood trim, illuminated 2-tier glove box, rear-wheel drive, 16.4-gallon fuel tank, 205. 55 HR16 all-season performance tires.